The 2024 Cybertruck has arrived, and it's ready to break the mold. Forget everything you think you know about trucks. This beast is a stainless steel spaceship on wheels, packing enough power to rip through time and space. Okay, maybe not that much, but it's close. Join me as we dive headfirst into the Cybertruck's radical design, jaw-dropping performance, and mind-blowing technology. This isn't just a truck, it's a revolution on four wheels. Get ready for an eye-popping journey into the future of transportation. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. The Cybertruck, a revolution on four wheels. The 2024 Cybertruck is here, folks, and it's nothing short of revolutionary. Forget everything you think you know about trucks, this is a beast unlike any other. It's a stainless steel spaceship on wheels, designed to turn heads and break records. Radical design. The Cybertruck's design is arguably its most striking feature. It's unlike any other vehicle on the road, with its sharp angles, futuristic silhouette, and complete lack of curves. Some might call it ugly, but there's no denying that it's bold and memorable. Cybertruck's exterior. But beyond its aesthetics, the Cybertruck's design is actually incredibly functional. The exoskeleton is made from ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, making it dent-proof, scratch-resistant, and virtually indestructible. Jaw-dropping performance. The Cybertruck isn't just about looks, it's got the brains to back it up. It comes in 3 variants, each offering jaw-dropping performance. Single motor, this is the base model, but it still packs a punch with 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds and a towing capacity of up to 7,500 pounds. Dual motor, this option boasts 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds and a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds. Tri-motor, the top-of-the-line model, is an absolute beast. 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-blowing 2.9 seconds and a towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds. Mind-blowing technology. The Cybertruck is packed with the latest and greatest technology, making it one of the most advanced vehicles on the planet. Here are just a few highlights. Yoke steering wheel. Replacing the traditional steering wheel is a yoke, similar to what you'd find in an airplane. This futuristic design offers unobstructed views of the road and gives the Cybertruck a unique feel. Massive touchscreen. The Cybertruck's infotainment system is controlled through a massive 17-inch touchscreen in the center of the dashboard. It's responsive, intuitive, and puts all the information you need at your fingertips. Autopilot self-driving features. The Cybertruck is available with Tesla's autopilot self-driving features, which can handle things like lane changes, highway driving, and even parking. The future of transportation. The Cybertruck isn't just a truck, it's a glimpse into the future of transportation. It's a statement that challenges the status quo and pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you love it or hate it, one thing's for sure, the Cybertruck is here to stay, and it's going to change the automotive landscape forever. But is the Cybertruck right for you? That's a question only you can answer. But if you're looking for a truck that's bold, innovative, and unlike anything else on the road, then the Cybertruck is definitely worth considering. Want to learn more about the Cybertruck? Be sure to stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll take a closer look at its features, performance, and technology. We'll also be sharing our thoughts on whether or not the Cybertruck is worth the hype. Well, that's it for our Cybertruck review. I hope you found it informative and engaging. Remember, this is just the beginning of the story for the Cybertruck. So stay tuned for more updates and news as we learn more about this revolutionary vehicle. And before we go, I just want to say a big thank you to all of you for joining me on this journey. I'm so grateful for your support, and I can't wait to share more content with you in the future. In the meantime, why not subscribe to my channel for more automotive content? I'll be covering the latest news, reviews, and insights from the car world. And if you have any questions about the Cybertruck or anything else automotive related, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'm always happy to chat with my viewers. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.